Hey you guys, doing a quick video that's just going to be short on how the Jack's Wax works. The other video ended up being really long, and I figured I would just show it to you on this vehicle. This is my 2003 Honda Civic. I got these mirrors from overseas, and they are EDM only. The JDMs are strictly sedan. This coupe body is over in the Netherlands though, with the folding mirrors. They're not power folding, sadly, but they do fold. I like the look of them better than the crazy looking blah blah Civic ones. But I just wanted to show you how dramatic the change is using this. I'm trying to hold y'all in place, look through to just to verify, and then okay. I'll actually do a video on the cowl at another time. This poor little car has been through the ringer. If you care to see its mess, I made a video about how messed up it got at the shop and about the lessons of using cheap vinyl. Basically, I washed the car already, cleaned everything, and this is just applying it. I have to let it sit for a minute, which I already did on the other side, so I'll go ahead and show you guys how it looks after it's been soaking in. And then we wipe it down to get all the excess off. And again, this Jack's Wax is not permanent, but I've had it on my view here, and I'm going on 8 months now, and that stuff is still looking good. It was ashy like these mirrors were. Basically, you use an applicator to apply it. Wear gloves because it will stain you, because it does have dye in it. And then you wipe off the excess after it's absorbed. And again, I'm doing this quick and kind of sloppy. This gives you a quick video on the dramatic change, the results, versus the long-winded one I did on the view, because a lot of people have been talking about it here lately on the Saturn forums, and talking about using torches and whatnot, and I just wanted a quick video that I could share, a couple minutes, showing everybody how dramatic of a difference that is. So it brings it to a satin. I've also done one headlight cover that got ruined. It was supposed to be glossy like the hood. When I got it, it was. Being out in the sun, now it's gone matte. So I tried this side to see if it would restore a little bit of the gloss. I don't have hopes for the gloss, but maybe. Yeah, no. Didn't work in that case. So this stuff is not a complete miracle worker. It can do a lot of stuff, but that, to me, is impressive. Going from that ashy gray. We'll see how long this lasts. It's a daily driver, but it's not going to be kept outside anymore. Don't plan on letting the mechanic have it for a while. But wanted to share that with you guys. And the product, Jack's Wax Black Trim Renew, works better than anything else I've seen on the market that's considered a temporary fix, you know, like back to black and things like that. Far superior, in my opinion, from anything I've ever used before. So just wanted to share that quick video with you guys. All right, take care.